Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. Did you know your Samsung device is hiding a powerful feature right in plain sight? It's time to unlock the full potential of Google Lens, now supercharged with the power of Google Gemini. From scanning real-world objects to getting instant AI-powered insights, this is more than just a camera trick. So it's your new secret weapon. So let me show you 5 powerful features of Google Lens and how to activate it. So to activate Google Lens on your Samsung device, you want to go ahead and hold down on the home screen, then tap on widgets. From here, you need to go ahead and scroll down until you see Google. If you don't have Google installed, go ahead and download it from your Play Store, scroll down and go ahead and add this widget to your home screen. So here, as you can see, I've added that widget to my home screen. So the first feature is where you can search for items using Google Lens. So with Google Lens, you can point your camera at any object like clothes, gadgets, or furnitures, and Google Lens will identify it and show you similar products online, prices, and where to buy it. So let me show you how to use this. So here I've got a Google widget which I've added to my home screen. This looks like this. Now to activate Google Lens, go ahead and tap on this camera icon here. And now this will activate Google Lens. So let's just say, for example, I have this lens and I want to know what kind of lens is this. So I can go ahead and scan this lens. Now this will basically take a picture and will show you similar products like that. Go ahead and browse through these products and find if you have found that item. You can look in products, you can look in visual matches, and from here you'll basically get more information about this product itself. The second feature is where you can search for photos in your phone on Google Lens. So if you want to search for something which you have taken a picture of and you want to use Google Lens to see what it is, then let me show you how to do this. So we're going to use the Google Lens widget, which looks like this. So to search for something which you have taken a photograph of, go ahead and tap on this lens icon here. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the upload button, which is here at the top bottom left. Go ahead and find the photo. So for example, this one here. Now using that photo, Google Lens will help you find what that item is. So as you can see, it has suggested the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So yes, it is that mobile phone. And you can see all the different search results which it's giving you. Go ahead and tap on any of them and this will take you to the item itself and where to buy the item. So with this feature, you can open a photo from a gallery using Google Photos. You can tap the lens icon and Google will analyze the image to give you information or perform actions like identifying the product, landmark, or text on it. The third feature is where you can translate with Google Lens. So with Google Lens, you can instantly translate text in real time by pointing your camera at signs, menus, or documents. Google Lens will detect the language and overlay a translated text on screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here we're going to go ahead and use the Google widget. Go ahead and tap on the Google Lens. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select Translate. And now you want to go ahead and point your camera to a text. So here I've written something in Spanish. So as you can see, it has translated that from Spanish to English. So ¿Cómo estás? It has become into how are you? So by using this feature, you can basically translate anything to the required language you want. At the top here, you can go ahead and change the language, what you want to translate it to, and what you want to translate it from. The fourth feature is where you can do your homework with Google Lens. So with Google Lens, you can basically solve any math equations or any word problems. So let me show you how to do this. So here we're going to use the Google widget, which looks like this. Now to solve a math problem on your Google widget, go ahead and use the Google Lens, which looks like that, a camera icon. From here, go ahead and choose homework. And now you want to go ahead and point your lens to a equation or maybe a problem, or you can go ahead and upload it from your phone library. So here I've got a math question and I wanted to solve it. So I'll go ahead and select that. I'll go ahead and scroll down and this will basically show me how to solve that problem. So if I'm stuck on a math problem or a tricky question, I can snap a picture with Google Lens and it'll break down the steps or provide me a helpful resource to guide me through the answer. And the last feature is, which is feature number 5, Gemini Live. So think of Gemini Live as your AI-powered personal assistant. You can ask anything from planning meals, writing messages, or solving problems. And it'll respond with the smart suggestions answers, or step-by-step instructions in real time. So let me show you how to use Gemini Live. So first, you're going to go ahead and open up the Gemini app, search for Gemini, or you can go ahead and long press on your standby button here on the right hand side on your Samsung device, and that will open up Gemini. Now, once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on this live button here, which looks like that. This will take you to Gemini Live. So just give it a few minutes while it configures itself. Now, once it has configured itself, go ahead and switch on the camera view. This will now show you the view of your back camera. So here now we'll go ahead and ask a question to it. So here in the background, I have a device which is not working. There is no battery inside, and I'm going to ask Gemini Live to tell me why this device is not working. So let's go ahead and use Gemini Live. We'll go ahead and go into Live. We'll open up the camera view, and now we'll ask the question. Gemini, why is this not working?
It looks like the battery cover is off of your Godox flash trigger. You'll need to put that back on before it will work. Do you want me to walk you through how to do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, first make sure the batteries are inserted correctly. Then, align the battery cover with the back of the flash trigger, making sure the small tabs on the cover are lined up with the slots on the device.
Is there a battery in this?
It looks like there are 2 batteries inside. Should there be more?
Should I add batteries to this?
Yes, it looks like it takes 2 AA batteries, and there are 2 batteries inside. You might want to check the battery orientation to make sure they're properly aligned. If they are, the next step would be to reattach the battery cover.
Why is this still not working?
It looks like the battery cover is still off. Once you put that back on, it should work. Do you need help with that?
The battery cover is on. Why is this not working?
Okay, I see the cover's on. Let's try flipping that power switch on the side from off to on. Give that a try and let me know what happens.
Still nothing.
Okay, I see the screen still dark. Just to be sure, could you double check that the batteries are new and inserted correctly? If they are, there might be something else going on.
There is no battery inside.
Ah, I see. There are no batteries inside. You'll need 2 AA batteries for this flash trigger. Do you have any on hand?
No.
Okay, you'll need to grab a pair of AA batteries. Once you've got them, just pop them in, making sure the plus and minus ends are facing the right way. And that should get things up and running.
Okay, thank you for your help. And there you have it, a hidden gem on your Samsung device that turns your camera into a powerful AI assistant. With Google Lens and Gemini working together, your phone just got a whole lot better. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hidden features breakdowns. Got any questions or you want more Samsung tricks? Drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next one.